It's Kina with Flossie Design and Flossie Blanks. Today I'm going to show you a new item that we have on our Blanks website. Well, we're going to be adding to our Blanks website, but I wanted to test it out here with you guys first. So we got new transfers in now. So now we're going to be selling transfer sheets, and they're already pre-made. All you have to do is supposed to be 320 for 20 seconds. So I'm going to press this one on a red shirt and see how it turns out. I did press one already. On a black shirt. Let me show you what that looks like. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys. This is nice. And it's stretchy. Very nice. Very nice material. So these are going to be our new transfer vinyls for already pre-made transfers that you can just take and put on a shirt. And you're doing generic shirts, so you can sell these at any vendor events or anything, because there's nothing that's customized with names or anything. So easy sell. And this is a V-neck medium. I think I got this shirt from Dollar Tree or something like that. So I just wanted to test it out and see how it works. But this is a great design, and it is pretty big. This one is, I believe it was 10 inches wide and 5.5 from length to top. So the length from top to bottom. But this is a very nice design. So we're gonna do this one here. I don't have attitude. I've got a personality you can't handle. So we're gonna try this one out on our t-shirt. I got a red Gildan small t-shirt here. And I'm gonna, what I did with the last shirt was I actually lint rolling it. So thinned off with the lint roller. Measure from your top where you're gonna put your transfer at. Where you're gonna put the transfer. You're gonna 3 inches down from the bottom of the collar. Small shirt, you can go up just a little bit more. You don't have to go all the way down 3 inches, but make it look nice and neat. In the middle, make sure you have it centered. But what I'm gonna do is, since I don't use heat tape to hold my stuff down, I'm gonna actually do the measurements again over there on my heat tape. So we'll take it over here. Put it on here. And you don't have to pre-press the garment or anything like that. And take your transfer and place it on there. You can still measure 3 inches down if you need to. With these smalls, you can go up just a little bit further. You don't have to go all the way down. Center it. Have it centered on your garment. Straight as you can get it, that your eye can see. You don't have to use something on top. I suggest you use something on top. So I just have this parchment paper that I use for a lot of things, and I just throw it on top of there. You're gonna press, and I actually press firm pressure for 20 seconds on this side, and then when this side is done, you flip it over and do 20 seconds on the other side. It is a cool peel, so you're gonna wait for it to cool down before we peel it. So it shouldn't take long to cool down, but we'll see when we get there. 3 seconds left. We're gonna go ahead and pop this in a second. Degrees is set to 320 again. Now it's stuck to the garment. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the garment. Slide it up there, and I'm going to press the back. You don't need any paper for the back. It is the back of the garment. But we're going to start trying to have custom transfers already done. Pre-made transfers for you guys. You guys put them on pillows. You can put them on any type of material, pretty much. Pillows that are cotton pillows. Probably do polyester, but if you do sublimation, you don't even have to do polyester pillows. You just do your sublimation on your polyester. So there it is on there. Take it back to the table. I'll do a little talking while it cools down. If you have sublimation, if you have a sublimation type of pillowcase and stuff like that, I suggest just using sublimation. These are more for pillows that are cotton, and you want to put something nice on there. In pillowcases, you can pillowcases, cotton t-shirts, polyester t-shirts. You can do any type of t-shirt, any type of fabric or whatever. We do suggest that you do not try to press the transfers on anything that's a pattern. So if you have a pattern, like a pattern pillow or a pattern t-shirt or anything like that, we suggest you don't use that, because the way the transfers are made, it'll soak up that pattern within the transfer. So like white lettering might turn to the pattern instead of being the white lettering. So it's almost cool. I'm just gonna rub it, and then to peel it, you are gonna peel from corner to corner. You can, if you got a preference on how you do it, because you do this all the time, our suggestion is corner to corner, and make sure it is a cool peel. And this is a very nice design. I really like this. We just got these in today. We got a lot of different ones, and after I pull this off, I'm gonna actually show you guys the different ones that we're gonna be having up on the website. But I wanted to do a second one, second shirt, just to make sure it looks good before we started putting them up on the website for you guys to purchase. We do have our t-shirt line in. Our t-shirt line for the 4Xs, the 4Xs are actually off by a inch, about an inch and a half. So it is only 64 centimeters, which is like 25 inches. So the shirt is only like, or 25 and a half inches, which makes the shirt only 51 inches round. So a 4X person that's bigger than 51 inches round, they won't fit that shirt. So make sure you know the measurements of your people. We do have the measurements listed on the website. We also have models that are wearing, we have two sizes right now that we got pictures from models in, a medium and a large, and they fit, I believe, true to size. We have some people say the smalls were too big, and some people say that everything was just right. The 4Xs, like I said, it's a little bit smaller. So if you got a wider than a 51 inch waist or round stomach area, then you can't fit that shirt. And then the 3X and then the 2X. So everything else is pretty much true to the size that's on the listing. They're true to size what we listed. When we say true to size, it's not true to size what Gildan has, what Amble has, what A4 has, anybody else has. It's true to the size that's on the measuring t-shirt size chart that we have listed on the website. Except like I said, the 4X is not 66 centimeters for the chest. It is actually 64 and a half. So it is off by that much. So if you're going to order those, make sure you know what size the person is that's going to fit that shirt. What else do we have? We have a lot of new stuff just came in. We have Bluetooth tumblers. We just got in. We want to test those out before we put them up on the website, but they are pretty cool. Sublimation Bluetooth tumblers. So those will be going up. We have snack cups. We have camp cups that came in. What else we got? We have a lot of stuff. We just have a lot of stuff at Flossie Blanks. So FlossieBlanks.com is our website. Come on over and shop with us. We give a 10% daily discount on all of our blank items. You don't have, the minimum purchase is $10, but we do give that 10% daily. It doesn't matter if you come back twice in one day and do 2 different shopping carts, you are going to get that 10% discount daily. We're going to keep that up as long as we can, and then hopefully in the near future, when we become a little bit bigger, we will start offering actual free shipping, but we don't know when we're going to do that. But we want to try to help out or alleviate a price on shipping, do a base rate for per pound, and alleviate some of the shipping costs, because we know shipping costs are going to be going up. USPS is going to start having a delay in their deliveries. My USPS isn't really, my mailman, my stuff gets out pretty fast, but a lot of people are having delays in the system. So with that being said, that's going to be worldwide. So just to let you guys know, eventually we will try to alleviate them problems as far as us with the pricing, but we're not going to do it anytime soon. We said in the near future, we'll try to make that where we can at least cut the cost for the shipping for everyone. Shipping really isn't bad or anything like that. I think it's actually a fair, decent price, but those costs are going to be going up here. All right, so it is cool. So I'm going to go ahead and point the camera down so you can see me filling it. Fill up from the corner. Oh, this is gorgeous. And there it is, blot out. New transfers in Flossie Blanks. Very nice. Very nice. This is gorgeous. Oh, let me see if I can get a better shot of a, this is very nice. Not too big, not too small. It's a perfect size. No weeding. You don't have to weed. You don't have to worry about lining up the picture on top of something else, glitter or whatever else you guys use to line it up on. This is perfect. So we have these. We have several of them. So I said I'm gonna show them to you. So let me get the ones we have, so I can show them to you real quick. So you guys already seen this one. And you guys already seen this one. This is Peace, Love, and Melanin. And then there's some custom ones for our customer. And we have this one, another Peace, Love, but it's with the woman with the butterflies. We have the Black Queen for the Christmas shirt. That's pretty big. That's a good size right there. Black Queen with Christmas. We have this Black Queen here. This is very pretty. We have this one here. She doesn't have a patch over her eye. That's just a sticker on top. This transfer here. And with these transfers, the ones that don't have like, they have words in the hair and stuff, but if they don't have words underneath, you can always put vinyl underneath and put some more customization to it, like how you want to do. This one, I believe we have another one in here just like this one with words on it. So we did buy this one here because we were like, people can put their own wording if they want to. We have this one, very pretty girl with the jean jacket, lots of words. This one is one of my favorites because it's thick thighs. Oh, hold on, let me see if I can take this one out so you can actually see it. The thicker the thighs, the sweeter the prize. So that is super cute. And these are all pretty big. On the website, we do have all the sizes of these too, so they are listed with each one. And also on the website, there is instructions on how to do these, how to press them. I know I just did it here live for you so you guys can see, but there are instructions on the website. So on each product, on each page, there's instructions. Each transfer, each product page, there is a instruction on each one. So you can always just copy and paste that, or copy it, save it to your desktop, so you'll have it. You have this one, Unapologetically Dope, very pretty. Another Unapologetically Dope, very nice. Here's a girl with the jean jacket again, Black Queen with a master's degree. That's gonna be good for graduation shirts. Super nice. This is one of my favorites. Work hard in silence, let your success be the noise. Very pretty. We have another Black Queen, the most powerful piece in the game. It's very pretty. And this is also like the breast cancer month, so that month is coming up, so you might need these. I Am Black History, little kid size. We made these 8 inches so that they're big enough for kid size and shirts. So the lettering is in white, and then a little black female girl. So those are the ones we got for our transfers that are in. We do have more coming in on the should be in within the next week, hopefully. We got a lot more that we sent out because we wanted to see what they would look like. So stay tuned for more transfers to be uploaded onto the website. Now, these are our Rhinestone Transfers. We do have these up on the website now. Now, these are only for breast cancer, for the breast cancer stuff. So, this month, October, not tomorrow. What's today? Today's 29th? Oh, no, tomorrow, October 1st, which is my son's birthday. Happy birthday, baby. That starts Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So these Rhinestone Transfers are gorgeous. See the little glistening? So this is one here and this is one here. So Fight Like a Girl, we have that one. And I believe these are $6.99 on the website. We have the Survivor one. Very nice. Very glistening. We have I'm Tougher Than Cancer. Very pretty. Tougher Than Cancer. the bigger ones are $6.99. The smaller one, the ones that Fight Like a Girl with the words only, that's $5.99. And the Survivor one, that one is $5.99. This one here, this is the other Fight one. This one is $6.99. That's the Fight Like a Girl with the heels. Very pretty. And then we have one last one. It is Tackle Cancer. And this one is gorgeous. I actually pressed this one yesterday on a black shirt, and it was gorgeous. So we have a lot of stuff going on with Flossie Blanks. So come visit our store. It is Flossie Blanks, FLOSSIE Blanks, BLANKS.com. We look forward to seeing you. Have a good night.